All right, let's annotate, determine the value, exterior angle. Oh, in 2 different ways. Okay, so let's see. I know this is 90 degrees. So my external angle right here is going to be the sum. So I'm going to put x for external is going to equal the sum of the opposite interior. So I can solve it this way. What does that give me? 155 degrees. And then a second way I could do it is I could find this angle. We'll call this angle y. This one's angle x. I could figure out what angle y is. Okay, so 90 and 65 is 155. So 180 minus 155 is 25. So angle y is 25. So the second way I could do it is 25. Oh, not plus n, plus x. 25 plus x has to equal 180 degrees because they are supplemental. They form a straight line. So I could do it like that. And yeah, that's the only 2 ways I can think of. There might be a third way, but those 2 ways work. You can just use the definition of finding an exterior, or you can find the third angle in the triangle and subtract from 180. Both of those work. Let's try number 2. We are trying to determine the value of angle Q. Angle Q is an interior. Opposite interior, this is my exterior angle right here. So I know if I subtract this interior angle, it will give me Q. Because, let me not do too much in my head. Exterior equals the sum of the 2 opposite interior. So you're just going to end up subtracting. Oh, what do we get? Let me not do this in my head. 75 degrees. Try the next 2 and see how you do.